Hello, I'm Jennifer, and this English lesson is coming to you from Boston, Massachusetts. I'd like to help students of English practice the TH sound. For those of you who know phonetic transcriptions, I'm talking about this sound. Let's begin with a very short story. Imagine there's a young woman, Kathy, and she's going to move to a new apartment. She needs some help, so she asks her friends, Theo and Thelma. The move goes well, and what happens at the end? Let me show you a sentence to answer that question. Kathy thanked both Theo and Thelma for everything. Try saying that with me. Kathy thanked both Theo and Thelma for everything. It's a lot of TH sounds there. Kathy thanked both Theo, Thelma, everything. Is it a little difficult to say that sentence? Don't worry. It's a challenging sound for many people from different countries, but like anything that's a little difficult, the more you practice, the easier it gets. So how am I making that sound? You need to use your upper teeth, your lower teeth, and your tongue. Let me try explaining this way. I'm not an artist, so just imagine this is a better picture. Here's your upper teeth. Here's your lower teeth, and you want just the tip of your tongue to show between your teeth. Your teeth are gently touching your tongue. When you blow out air, you're going to do it just enough so that air can pass over your tongue and under. If you need to do it more slowly and exaggerate and practice, that's fine. And if you need to run to a mirror to make sure that just the tip of your tongue is showing, go ahead and do it. It's important when we practice to make sure that you're in the right position. Got it? Okay. So let's put the TH sound in some words. I'm going to put a short list of words on the board, and you're going to see the TH sound at the very beginning. As I write them, I'll say them, and you can repeat after me. Think. Think. Thin. Thick. Thought. Theme. Thursday. You might also find the TH sound in the middle of words. This will be a shorter list. Again, I'll write the word, say it, and you can repeat. Author. Everything. Something. Nothing. As you can guess, I'm going to put one more list on the board, and this has the TH sound at the end. Both. Teeth. Path. Math. South. And one more. Mouth. Okay? Great. So now that we have practice with TH at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end of words, we're now going to see TH when it appears with other consonant sounds. For example, the N sound in month, or with numbers, tenth, or let's try actually at the beginning and at the end, but here at the end, 13th. You have the NTH at the end of the word. Month, 10th, 13th. You might also hear the TH in combination with L. For example, in two very nice words, wealth and health. Two things that we all want in life, right? Wealth and good health. A little more challenging for people tends to be the R plus TH. For example, at the beginning of a word, 3, throw, throat. If you find this especially difficult, what you need to do is slow it down, even break it up. For example, you can say re, and then little by little get faster, but keep it smooth. Re, 3, 3. Got it? You might also have R plus TH at the end of a word, like in earth, or the opposite of south, north. In the middle of a word, here's an example, birthday. You have to say that one correctly if you're going to wish someone a happy birthday. Now, that was just TH in combination with one other consonant sound. You might actually encounter the TH with a combination of other consonants. For example, depth, length, width. Do you know those words? I have my son's lunchbox to help you remember if you don't remember what those words are, or if this is the first time you're seeing them, let me explain. Length is how long something is. Width is how wide something is. And if you measure the depth, you found out how deep it is. Let's say them one more time. Length, width, depth. Okay? All right, so we've done some words. Another reason why you got to make a good effort to say TH sound is because you're going to meet people with TH sounds in their names. They might be in their first names or their last names. So I came up with a list of English names that have TH in them. Here are some guy names. You might meet a boy named Theo. It's short for Theodore. Keith, Garth, Arthur are also names of men. As for the gals, here's Thelma, Kathy, Catherine, Dorothy, Cynthia, and Ethel. As for last names, I came up with a list pretty much out of a phone book, and you might meet families whose last names are Thayer, Thacker, Thornton, Smith, Horvath, Roth, and here's it in the middle, the TH appears in the middle, Hathaway. I also wanted to point out that, of course, there's always going to be an exception. There's a first name Thomas, spelled TH, but you don't hear the H. Simply say Thomas. And the last name, Thompson, same thing. We write TH, but you say a T. Thomas and Thompson. Okay? We've said single words, first names, and last names. Now, let's take it to the next step, okay? And we are going to say some short phrases. Let's say these ones together. They all have TH sounds. Throw things. Both teeth. Thursday's theme. Author's health. Birthday theme. Wealth on earth. Thin and thick. North and south. And best for the last, both things. Notice there's TH at the end and the beginning, so if you speak slowly, you will say it 2 times, both things. But in real conversation, you're not going to say it that slowly. You're going to say it quite quickly, so you actually only have one TH sound. You just hold it out a little bit longer. Sounds like both things. Got it? Great. All right, so now what I think you're ready for is to put it all together. And I want you to imagine this imaginary town where the streets, the places, and the people there all have the TH sound. You know, you can do something like this with a friend. If both of you want to practice that TH sound, come up with a quick little map, put some street names on them, take the ideas from mine, and then ask each other questions about where people live or how to get to certain places. For example, let's look. Here's Kathy. Where does Kathy live? She lives on North Avenue, on the corner of North and 3rd. Who lives close to Kathy? Theo does. And can you tell me, please, where's Hathaway Theater? Hathaway Theater is on North Avenue. It's across from Smith's Bakery. If I'm at Smith's Bakery, how do I get to Thackeray Park? You go down 6th Avenue, and there's Thackeray Park. Now, if you're at Thackeray Park and you want to visit someone, well, why not visit your friend Cynthia? Cynthia lives on Thornton Way, on the corner of Thornton and 5th. Got it? All right. Now, the great thing about video is you can pause and repeat. You can go back to any part of this lesson and listen again. Listen to what is most useful to you. Hopefully all of it is useful, but you choose which parts help you most. Do you remember the sentence that we began with? It was a little difficult at first. I hope now it's a little easier to say. Let's try it one more time before we end. Kathy thanked both Theo and Thelma for everything. Let's say it a little bit more naturally, faster pace. Kathy thanked both Theo and Thelma for everything. Did you try it? Was it easier? I hope so. All right, we're going to end there. I hope this lesson was useful to you. If you have any requests for other topics, why not send me an email message? My email address is englishwithjennifer@gmail.com. That's englishwithjennifer@gmail.com. Well, thank you. Take care.